Okay, in this video we're going to do a remote control battery test on a PowerShield Defender 1200 UPS. Okay, so you can see NetGuard's running in the background here in the taskbar because that little circle is recirculating. So let's just go and open the monitor. And there it is there, that's our PowerShield Defender 1200 with 2 batteries. So all we do is we go up to control, go real-time control, all right, and we'll go, we want to do a 10-second battery test. So I'll press start, ask for my password. So my password is administrator, administrator, enter. All right, start the test now. You want to start it? Yes. And you hear it go click. There goes the battery self-test going into start. All right, and we can do OK, done. All right. Now, if we want to go and check how that battery test went, we can go back to here and refresh the PowerFlow kit menu. Okay, and then we go and look at history. And we'll go for event statistics, and we go and look for a battery event. There it is. That's my little battery test. And to prove that I did that, and only that time, is going to see, look, battery test is going to start, and battery self-test is completed. All right. So basically, let's just go back to the control, go to real-time control, start, enter my password, administrator or lowercase, press start. Are you sure? Yes. It started. There it is, it's going to start. Okay, so now let's just go back and look at the history. So we can go back here, refresh, history, event statistics, battery event, and now we've got 2 battery tests going to start and 2 battery tests, self-tests completed, and it worked every time. So that's all very good. Now, in fact, we're going to look at data. Do we have anything there? Not really. So I think we're just good to go. There we go. And in fact, actually, if we go look at history, you may even see something in the diagram for battery voltage. If we go today and browse, there you go. You see some interesting thing. Oh no, battery voltage. There you go. See the dip there in the battery tests at various points. See, it's at 1800 hours. Okay. So there you go. Thanks for watching this video.